how to simply change and customize your charging sound on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. Open your Shortcuts app, which should be by default installed on your iPhone. So simply open it. And now you will see all your shortcuts. And in the bottom section, click on Automation, which is the middle option. And here you will find automations and simply create a new automation. And now we want to scroll down and find the charger. Click it, select the is connected option, and also select run immediately. Then click on next. And now we want to select what it will do when we start charging our iPhone. So for example, I'm gonna choose speak text, and it will speak a text which you will type here. So for example, charging, click on done and simply click on done. Now your automation was successfully created. You can go back, and if you unplug your charger and plug it in,
Charging.
and you will hear the charging text or the text which you selected there. Also, you have multiple options. You can open shortcuts, click on this automation, go to do section. You can delete this and, for example, click play music and find here the music which you want to select or play when you charge in your iPhone. So I don't have any songs on my iPhone, but you can select which you want. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.